on holidays, and I was here in the hostel next across the corner, and I was getting ready for a party, and suddenly I heard a big boom, and from the window something fell into my room, and our windows didn't break. But then I was looking out of the window and I saw a lot of cars coming, police, fire army is called here, and a lot of people coming to the street, and then the other people from the hostel came out of the rooms and their windows were broken and nobody knew what happened.